This is WPS, and what is WPS? WPS is Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. You understand? Very short. So at the end of the training, you should be able to use Excel confidently on your phone. You should be able to edit, enter, and format data, and some basics Excel formula. I used to manage business records, sales, expenses, and contacts. Alright, so let me just dive straight into the topic, to the class. What is WPS Spreadsheet? WPS Spreadsheet is a mobile application used for recording, performing calculation, managing business, and personal record. What are the advantages of WPS on phone? You can use it free and lightweight. You can work offline, easily use on Android and iPhone. It supports Excel file. So what you have to do is you can go to Play Store, you can go to Apple Store, you download WPS Office. So okay, what is Shell? We have already explained Shell in our normal class, which is the previous class when I was walking you through on the Microsoft Excel interface. The same way is on the system, which is the same Shell. So how do we navigate Excel on a mobile phone? We have where we can navigate, and just like what I said, the type of data we have: text, we have numbers, we have dates. So this is our Excel. This is the interface. This is the interface where we have our column and we have our row. The row is the numbers, while the column is the alphabet, which is vertical. The row is the horizontal. Do you understand that? So the row is the horizontal, while the column is the vertical area. So this is our cell. Let me walk you through the interface. We have down here. Once you click on it, you can see these are your fonts. We have the text color, we have the fill color, we have the align text. If you want to align your text, you can also align text on your phone. We have the border where you can create you want to align it, fit to weight, wrap text. These are all things you can do. You can also merge cells together, just the way you have it on your system. These are for numbers where you have your dollar sign, we have the figure, we have percentage, your comma, and all of that. You can also do the cell. You can format, you can fill, you can clear. These are the things you can do with WPS also. These are all our own. These are what we have in our home. In WPS also we have the home, we have the file, we have the view, we have the insert, we have the data, we have the review. So these are what you have on your home. We have the file. The file you can save as. This is just like the way you have the system. You can download, you can export, all of that. We have the view when you can view, you can copy, you can paste. So these are everything you have under your view. We have the filter. When we'll be walking straight to filter, I'll be explaining how you can filter with Excel also. We have screen always on. Once you are in WPS, if you set it to screen always on, it will always be on. We have smart reading. That is, everything will be fit to your screen. You understand? We have hide. We have freeze panels. These are when maybe you are working on the data and maybe you are going down, but you need the heading of your job, maybe name, and you are slowing down. The name will be showing because you freeze down. Maybe the first row and the first column. Yes. So everything will be showing your insert. What we always have is where you can input something. Insert is to input something. You can insert yourself. You can insert pictures. You can scan, input code, chart, text box, shape, comment, functions, pivot table, hyperlink. These are everything you can also do with your WPS. We have the data. This data is where you are having on your Excel, Microsoft Excel, and you are seeing your formulas. What do you have here? You see, you can filter, you can sort. The sorting is for the ascending and the descending. You understand? That is for the sorting. We have auto sum. Those are formulas. We have recalculate. We have highlight, delete, duplicate. These are other functions you can also use in your Microsoft Excel. We have data validation. We have names. We have review. You understand? So these are things you can also use your Microsoft Excel, your WPS Excel to also do. Do you get? We have the bold. These are also formatting. You already have it here in your own, but for quick use, you have it here. You get that? You have it here. You can wrap text. We have here where you can put your formulas. This is you see the FS, which is the formula. You have A, which is you want to insert your text. These are type of data we have the formula which is f open bracket x. That is our formula type. We have the 1, 2, 3, which is another type of data. We also have the alphabet, which is another type of data, and we have the date. This is the date. This is another type of data. You understand? So that is for that. While working, we have the save. This is the save at the top. This is the save. We have this as your undo. We have this as your redo. You understand? So if you want to go back to your home, you can also come here. Once you click here, you see your home. You see create new. If you want to create a new document, you can easily come here and create a new document. We have your home. This is a recent job I've worked on. Do you understand? So these are things you should know. We have here. You can merge the worksheet. You can extract. You can add. Are you with me? So those are the things you should know. These are the interface. Let me do a simple example for you so you can see how to do that also. Name. We have the tab. This is the tab to go to the next cell. We have gender. Go to the next tab. Age. So you see, name. You can use your enter on your keyboard to go down. Dario, Samuel, David, Emma. So male, female. Do you see that? Do you see? So we can also use formula here. Let me make use of the formula. Onto my tab is equals to sum. You see that? Sum. I tab here. I use my column, which is column. I come here. I click on the last cell. Can you see that? Can you see that? So far. So how do you highlight it? I also highlight, to make sure to make a difference. You can bold it, you can easily bold it, you highlight, then what? Make it bold, which is the same control B on your keyboard. You see your same control B on your keyboard, you can highlight everything, come to your home, come to your border and click that. So that is all for today.